In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana for project management in 2025, focusing on the best practices to optimize your workflow and boost team productivity. As we navigate through this guide, I aim to help you set up and use Asana efficiently so you can manage your projects more effectively. Let's start by setting up your Asana workspace. Begin by structuring your workspace into teams and projects. This is essential for organizing your tasks by different departments or specific activities. This setup is foundational because well-organized teams and projects allow everyone to know exactly where to find the information they need. Within each project, use sections and task lists to organize these tasks further. Arranging your tasks by phase, priority, or workflow can dramatically enhance clarity and focus. Moving on to defining clear goals and objectives. It's crucial to align your projects with the broader company goals using Asana's dedicated goals feature. This not only helps in clarifying what needs to be achieved, but also ensures everyone is on the same page regarding the organization's broader targets. This alignment can serve as a guiding star for your team, keeping everyone committed to a unified vision. Now let's delve into task management and assignments. It's vital to assign tasks clearly. This means each task should have a dedicated assignee, maintaining transparency and accountability across your team. Using explicit assignees is a simple yet powerful technique to ensure everyone knows their responsibilities, reducing overlaps and misunderstandings. Alongside this, using due dates and setting priorities for tasks is imperative to maintain a smooth workflow. By defining deadlines and priority levels, you ensure that your team tackles the most pressing issues first, while also keeping an eye on long-term goals. Enhancing collaboration and communication is another cornerstone of effective project management in Asana. Utilize the comments and mentions features extensively. Keeping conversations within tasks by tagging teammates in comments helps in creating a centralized communication hub, making it easier to follow discussions and decisions. Additionally, attaching files and links directly to tasks streamlines access to all necessary documents, eliminating unnecessary searches, and keeping all relevant information at your fingertips. Before we wrap up, let's touch on some best practices for efficient Asana usage. Keep your tasks and projects organized by archiving completed items to avoid clutter. Utilizing tags and custom fields is a great way to categorize tasks, making filtering and sorting effortless. Encourage ongoing team training to ensure everyone is familiar with Asana's features, maximizing your team's productivity. Lastly, make it a habit to review and optimize regularly. Adjust workflows and settings based on team feedback and project needs to keep your process running at peak efficiency. With these strategies and tips at your disposal, you'll be well equipped to harness the full potential of Asana for managing your projects in 2025 and beyond.